What's up, guys? This is Don from Spencer Automotive, where we've got your automotive repair needs covered. Wanted to talk with you today about a discrepancy in fuel mileage that I found on my Dodge Ram. Now, we all know that a lot of times the manufacturer may want to inflate the reported miles per gallon on the vehicle's trip computer. You know, some of your vehicles have that digital display up in the, up in a maybe a unit that's up mounted to the ceiling, or maybe on the instrument cluster or somewhere else in the car, and it tells you what your average miles per gallon are. On my truck, I'm going to show you something here in a couple of pictures. You'll see that as you look at this picture, that you'll see that the truck recorded over 17 miles per gallon. Now, what I did was I actually recorded how many miles I traveled with the trip meter. Very easy to do. As soon as I filled up with fuel, this is a diesel truck. It's a 2004 Dodge Ram with a four-wheel drive, and it is a diesel. And I was towing a trailer most of the time, just for your information. Not that it matters for our purposes here. But you'll see that when I actually recorded how many miles I went and how many gallons were used at the next fill up, that it was down in the 14 range, almost 3 miles per gallon difference. Isn't that crazy? It's a huge difference. So just be aware that what's being reported in your trip's vehicle computer, trip computer or whatever you call it, may not be accurate. What's absolutely accurate is if you're for sure filling it up, and I would even use the same pump at the same gas station if possible, let the thing auto shut off in the gas tank or in the fuel tank. You fill it up all the way to begin until it clicks off the first time, and it is important not to keep overfilling, keep topping up your fuel system. That can actually hurt some components. And so let it click off and verify that it's full by turning the key on. And then you drive. You reset your trip computer and drive and see how many miles you go. And when you get done, let's say you've gone at least a half a tank, preferably 3/4 or farther. I don't recommend going underneath a quarter of a tank on your fuel for a multitude of reasons. We can talk about that another time. But what happens is you just take the number of miles that you traveled and divide it by the number of gallons it took to fill up after you traveled that far. So let's say you traveled 328 miles and it took 14 gallons to go that far. You would just take 328 divided by 14 gallons, and that's your miles per gallon. Simple as that. Just wanted you to be aware not to rely on your trip computer in your car. If you need any service or have a question, you can call us at Spencer Automotive at 530-345-5600. That's 345-5600. We're located in Chico, California at 2540 Dominic Drive. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.